Nepal, from the mighty Himalayas to the bustling street of Kathmandu. Nepal is a country full of heart, history, and seriously delicious food. Before we jump into preparing momo, let's talk a little bit about Nepali cuisine. Nepalese food is a beautiful blend of flavors, traditions, and diversity. From the humble dal bhat, our national staple of lentils and rice, crispy sel roti, gundruk, every dish tells a story of our culture. And of course, no conversation about Nepali food is complete without mentioning momo. These little dumplings are life, and we love them all. Living here in Mexico, surrounded by amazing tacos and spicy salsa, which I love them, by the way, I still get this intense craving for momo. And that's exactly why I started making them myself at home. It's a little piece of home in every bite. I'm making simple pork momo today, but feel free to swap it with veggies, chicken, or whatever you love the most. Now, mix the flour along with the water, simple and clean. We knead this until it's soft and smooth. Then let it rest for a while. And now the real fun begins, folding the momos. This part takes a bit of practice, but if I can learn it, so can you. Whether you are doing a classic round momos or the easier half moon style, just make sure the A's are sealed well, otherwise you will end up with dumplings explosion in the steamer. Time to steam. I'm using a basic steamer setup. Usually it takes 20 to 25 minutes and they are done. Hey Siri, set timer 25 minutes.
25 minutes starting now. When the timer ends, you can say, Siri, stop.
While those are steaming, let's whip up a quick achar, a spicy tomato dipping sauce that takes momo to the next level. Just fried tomatoes, garlic, ginger, chili, onions, a bit of mustard oil or regular oil, and salt. After that, blend it. That's it. Look at these beauties, hot, juicy, and ready to eat. Let's dig in. I know the presentation is not so well, but it's homemade. I love it. That's it. That's the taste of home. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more home-style cooking stories from Nepal to Mexico. And everything in between, leave a comment and let me know what food makes you feel at home. Until then, dhanyavad, gracias, and happy momo making. Bye-bye.